Good morning, friends. Today is November 25th, 2020. Please write the date at the top right corner of your paper and write number corner on the top. Press pause if you need more time. Alrighty, friends, yesterday our clock showed 5 p.m. We know it's p.m. because it already went around one full time and then it went again to the 5. Today, you are going to show 6 o'clock p.m. So draw a clock that shows 6 o'clock p.m. as well as write 6 o'clock p.m. Press pause if you need more time. Number 2, you're going to make a prediction about what you will see behind today's card. So again, we've made observations about all the days in November up until today. Use those observations that we saw to make your best prediction for what is behind today's card. Press pause if you need more time. Alrighty, friends, yesterday we were in school for 47 days. Now we have been in school for 48. So with the 48, what I want you to do is write an addition equation that equals 48, a subtraction equation that equals 48, tally marks to show 48, coins that have a value of 48 cents, and the base 10 blocks to show 48, so our 10 sticks and our 1 circles. Press pause if you need more time to represent 48 in these 5 ways. All right, next to number 4, you are going to skip count by 2s. Last time we stopped at 50, so today we're going to start at 50 and stop at 120. So starting at 50, skip count by 2s up to 120. Friends, you've got this. Do your best and have a fabulous day.